Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews, where we break down the latest rides with real talk and no fluff. Today, we're looking at a car that's been redefining American performance since it went mid-engine, the 2026 Chevrolet Corvette C8. If you thought the C8 had peaked, think again. Design. From the outside, the 2026 C8 keeps that exotic supercar vibe, low, wide, and sculpted to slice through the air. But look closer and you'll notice sharper lines, updated LED lighting, and a new aero package that's not just for looks, it's functional. Chevy also introduced new paint finishes and will options to keep things feeling fresh without losing that classic Corvette aggression. Performance. Under the hood, or rather, behind the seats, the latest 6.2 LLT2 V8 still roars to life with over 500 horsepower, but now benefits from improved cooling, better weight distribution, and a quicker shifting dual-clutch transmission. 0 to 60? Still around 2.9 seconds. And it feels every bit as thrilling as that number suggests. Chevy's fine-tuned the suspension and steering, giving the 2026 C8 a tighter, more planted feel, whether you're carving corners or blasting down the highway. Features and technology. Inside, it's all about the driver. The digital cockpit is sharp and intuitive, with an updated infotainment system, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and even over-the-air updates. The seats are supportive yet road trip ready, and there's a surprising amount of cargo space for a mid-engine sports car. Conclusion. The 2026 Corvette C8 is proof that Chevy's not just keeping up, they're pushing boundaries. It's fast, smart, and surprisingly refined, without losing that raw American edge. If you're loving where the Corvette is headed, hit that like button, drop a comment with your favorite feature, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more reviews of the cars that matter most. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next drive.